You've invested a lot into your home. Whether it's old or new, a hidden electrical hazard could silently develop into a fire and destroy what's most important to you. Smoke detectors alert you once a fire has already started. Imagine if you could prevent these dreadful fires before they start. Now you can with Ting, the next generation in fire safety. Ting is an easy-to-install smart sensor with a connected app that keeps you in the know 24/7. Within minutes, this elegant smart sensor is on the job monitoring for electrical faults across your home. Ting decodes electromagnetic activity, accurately detects tiny signals caused by hazardous arcing, and promptly notifies you and the Ting Fire Safety Team. You'll receive step-by-step instruction, and if needed, a Ting-authorized electrician is coordinated with your approval to repair the fault, protecting you, your loved ones, and your home. For proactive fire safety simplified, choose Ting.